Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have software box mockup. These files are PSD and here is 3. These files in PNG, JPG for example. So I drag this file in Photoshop CC. Okay, and you see here in layer area, extract, design, base, shadow. You can change background color like this, or you can apply gradient overlay. I know you better know about gradient overlay. Normal, like this. Select red color. Okay, enter and click here. Software box, extract, folder, and double click here for your poster. So I drag this poster just for example. Okay, and enter. Control S for saving, and you see here this poster is in, and here is sidebar. You can adjust your title name or write my own name. We sell best things in whole world. If you want, you can write any text. You can write any title or depend on your own self. Control S, and you see here your title is here. So I close this file and open another file. This file is protected and password in this video. Drag on here, extract folder, extract design folder, open. Here is two different. So I open this file, drag this, press shift, enter, Control S. You see here, and here design is, you click on there, double click, here design, I tell you just for example. Control S, and you see here basically this mockup is for software. You adjust your any product. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care, all of this.